Let's have a look at the documents involved. The scope of requirements tells you what we need to buy. The award criteria tender response form simply lets you tell us why you would be a good fit to work for us. In the pricing schedule, you'll state the price for our requirements in a format that we set for you. Both the response form and the pricing schedule relate back to our specific requirements. The online single procurement document, what we call the SPD, captures your company information, including some pass-fail questions on your business. Where it's relevant, you'll have questions on cybersecurity and community benefits. If it is required, we'll provide you with full details in the tender documentation. And to help you get the best scores possible, please use the forms we've provided. This helps ensure that you've provided all the information required, and it makes it easier for us to evaluate. Timelines are everything for procurement. If you miss a tender deadline, we simply have no scope to include your tender in our evaluation. So please don't leave things to the last minute. You can start working on and even submit your bid at any time before the deadline. If you want to make changes to your submission after you hit the dispatch button on Public Contracts Scotland, which is called PCS, in the postbox functionality, but before the deadline, it is crucial that you hit the dispatch button again. Note the key deadlines for queries and tender submission. Use the anonymous question and answer functionality on Public Contracts Scotland, PCS, to raise any question or to clarify anything you don't understand. Check the weighting for each question and highlight the key points. Sometimes a fresh look at your drafted response will highlight if you have answered all the questions. Make sure you've maximized the full points available through the responses you give. Keep within any specified page limit and don't use web links unless we've asked for one. We can't use our existing knowledge of you, only what's in your response. Don't leave things to the last minute. Allow plenty of time to upload your tender response to the postbox on PCS. If you're late, your tender will be excluded from evaluation. If before the deadline you edit a bid you have already submitted, remember, you need to click the PCS dispatch button again in order to resubmit another bid. If you use attachments, please make sure you have attached the correct versions of all of them. We have provided you with some helpful links where you can find more information and support.
We hope you've learned more about us and what we're needing to procure. If you're interested in this opportunity, you can find out more on PCS, and we look forward to receiving your bid. Don't forget the tender deadline, and good luck.